Alrighty, gonna do another video. The last video I did was kind of shot out because of the big old screen mark, watermark on the middle of the screen. So hopefully this video will come out like that. Baby Shark at the World Series. That's funny. There was, let's see, Baby Shark, Lebanon. I thought this was awesome too. So this CNN, I didn't even know I followed them. All right, they're actually reporting some truth. Of course, you would get an ad. Whatever, CNN. Maybe here. The little kid's like, what the heck is going on? Assassin, Lebanon. Lebanese mother driving through a crowd of protesters blocking the road told them that her baby was scared. So the protesters sang Baby Shark to entertain him, calm him down. I thought it was a little girl. It's a little boy. My bad. Lebanon. Music helping other people get together. In Lebanon, they had people dancing and all kinds of cool stuff. But let's see if anybody has back mask. Because now I'm thinking maybe there's a message. Nope, nobody's done it. Somebody do it. Get at me. Somebody like my reply. You better watch out. Kim Kardashian will probably get him into a psych hospital again and have him come out with blonde hair again. As me replying to Kanye. Kanye West, he's right here in this interview. I think he's like completely, I agree with him.
They were fighting for us to have the right to our opinion, not the right to vote for whoever the white liberals said black people are supposed to vote for. You get what I'm saying? And then James Corden went in and said, well, this president, you're Christian, and this president, I don't see anything Christian about him. I said, okay, so last year y'all tried to tell me who I'm supposed to vote for because I'm black. Now this year, white liberals trying to tell me who I'm supposed to vote for because I'm Christian. That would be like, I live in Calabasas, so every one of my cars got to be a convertible, huh? It's just all based on y'all vision of what I'm supposed to do. And I understand, like, a lot of people, it's not a matter of whether you like it or who like it. We are in a country where we allowed to like whatever we like.
What do you say to people that say you turned your back on the culture or
exactly
black
100%? I have turned my back on the idea of victimization mentality. We are locked up. We went from 1 and 4. We went from 1 and 4 to 1 and 3. But we always pointing at the white people. But yet, we want to spend all of our money on foreigns. We want to spend all our money on luxury as opposed to going and buying some land. America is for sale. And there's a lot of barren land. Disney bought a lot of it in Florida. But the culture has you focused so much on fucking somebody bitch and pulling up in a foreign and rapping about things that could get you locked up and then saying you about prison reform. Like, it's... Bro, we brainwashed out here, bro.
Bro!
Come on, man. This is a free man talking.
Check out the
Democrats
shirt, the sweater.
For years, bro. What is you talking about? guns in the 80s, taking the fathers out the home, Plan B, lowering our votes, making us abort our children. God should not kill.
So that is something that Zuby's clown ass, he was in the news for a moment because he destroyed the British women's deadlift record without trying. He identified as a woman while he was doing it. He's like, don't be a bigot. He broke the women's record. Good for him. Or her. Whatever you want to say. So he broke the record and then went back and he's like, well, I'm a man. Actually. I thought it was hilarious. It was just like to make a point. But I agree with Kanye going back to that, and I say he better watch out because Kim Kardashian is gonna put him in the psych hospital again. He's gonna come out with blonde hair. That's what happened last time he was kicking game, and she was like, "No, buddy, we got some money to make." Because I truly believe she has him under mind control. But Larry Johnson, he's been dropping some knowledge lately. I don't know if it's the CTE making him see things at a certain frequency, or if hopefully he has given himself to Christ. He's not blaspheming, but he's always kicking the real. I think lately he's been just dropping knowledge on people, but look at that. Here's a new album by Kanye West. It looks like the record, the 12-inch record, and same colors as like Freemasonry emblem. And he's saying the album color combinations as Freemasonry, new songs, 1331, Illuminati number 13, flip on vinyl, 33 RPM. RPM is revolutions per minute. That's how many times it's spinning a minute. 33 revolutions per minute on vinyl. Degree in Masonry. Album drops 6 days from which is New Year, which is Halloween. He might perform at the Oculus in an eye built for the 9/11 victims. False idol, and he says Proverbs 1:25. I retweeted that because he's on point, but let's take a look at, let's see if he's tweeted anything. 11 hours ago, he retweets, great format Jane Fonda gets arrested with, and there's a different celebrity guest each week. For the third week in a row, Jane Fonda was arrested, this time with 10 dancing at a climate change protest in D.C. Jane Fonda is a victim of child abuse, and she's rumored to be under my control. Larry Johnson, wrestling with God. I don't really want to wrestle, quoting Kanye. Jacob wrestles with God, determined not to give up, blessed with fathering the nation of Israel in his name. No wonder this generation of men are weak and lost in idolatry. Don't want to struggle to be blessed. You gotta struggle. Without struggle, there's no progress, folks. But I've been following him, and he's just been dropping knowledge on people. Like, hey, be believing him. He had the Kanye holy water. Let's see if there's any pictures of that. Nope. Nothing coming up. Maybe I have to Google it. There they are. These are Kanye's sneakers, about $4,000 the last time I checked. And they have holy water in there. I mean, if he was donating the money to charity or something, I guess it would be cool. But I don't know if he's. Huh. Look at that. This guy throwing up this symbol here. So I want to believe Kanye is fighting. I feel like every time he tries to kick that game, tries to keep it real, they just say you're crazy, throw him in the hospital, and he comes out with blonde hair. So if we see Kanye with blonde hair soon, we know what's going on. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep this one short.